Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add or remove from cart on Shop app. So once you open your Shop app, here you can see the complete process. You simply need to browsing different products. If you want to add any items, you simply need to tap add to cart, and when you are tap on add to cart, the item will be added into your cart, and then you need to click on checkout to complete the purchase. But let's suppose if you want to delete that, you can find easily the plus and minus icon with the product. If you want to increase item, click on plus. If you want to reduce items, you simply need to click on minus, and items will be removed from your order. So this is the process that you need to follow to add or remove from cart on Shop app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.